Hello, I'm Rahul Chandra, Marketing Director at DEWALT Middle East and Africa. As a valued DEWALT partner, I'm personally excited to invite you to our Innovation Day on June 25th, right here in Dubai Al Quoz. This is an exclusive event, and it is your front row seat to the future of job site technology. You'll experience live demos of our latest innovation from our concrete solutions, the DEWALT POWERSHIFT, to our woodworking and MEP solutions, along with our full lineup of cordless tools and accessories. You will also get a first look at our on-site DEWALT Service Container. This is a game changer in the after-sales support, bringing service directly to your job site. We are excited to connect with you and to understand better how DEWALT can support your needs and redefine the future of the job site. See you on June 25th.